When viewing the contents of a mailing list, you may notice the status column. Each user has an attached status to them. We can see here this top user is set as active. This means that they are a live subscriber inside your mailing list, so when you next send a campaign, they will be included. An inactive user is a user which you can manually suppress or mark as inactive on your mailing list. They will remain inside the mailing list for future reference, but they will not be included on any mailings. They're effectively invisible, only you can see them. An unsubscribed user over here may be a user who's clicked on the unsubscribe link from one of your campaigns, or alternatively, you manually marked them as unsubscribe. And a bounce user is a mailbox that the software detected which no longer exists, or alternatively, you mark them as a bounce user if you know that the person's left the organisation. Let's find out how to update a user's status. To do this, we just need to click on their row. And from their contact card, we can see their status tag here. So we just need to click on the corresponding edit button. From the drop-down menu, we can specify a new status. So let's tag this user as unsubscribed. So perhaps this person manually contacted us and asked to be unsubscribed from future mailings. Mark them as unsubscribed, hit update, and now you're done. We can close their contact card here, and we can see they've now been tagged as an unsubscribe, so they will not be included on future mailings.